cops, we never run from ops. They ain't fun with us, they don't run the block. We got a bunch of rocks, we got a
Oh my God. Oh my God, my hand locking up. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh. Oh. I'm good. Oh. What the f? Oh. I'm good. I'm good. Boy, I just fell, bro. I just fell. No, my hand was locking up. That shit different, bro. What the f? What happened?
That shit just, boy, that shit was a head off collision.
What?
Damn, man, coming up that goddamn hill, talking about screaming, bro, chasing your I see you. You gotta chase me, man. You can't, bro, I jumped dead off that shit right there, bro. Like, off that bitch. All I saw was this.
You good?
That neck hurt.
You good, fam?
I'm good.
Take that helmet off for a second. You go like this. You know what I'm saying? Get your shit back right. Yeah.
Hey, I ain't gonna lie with this, bust my ass back there, gang.
Bro, yeah.
Man, that front tire still in that mud. That bit. What the fuck? Oh God. Damn, look at your handlebar. Look at that shit. That bit dug in that bit.
That's the first time I did a real front flip off my bike.
Hey, y'all get lucky on these falls today, boy.
Keep being lucky, man. I ain't trying to see nothing crazy.
When he went in the woods, yeah. I don't even know how he went.
Bro, he went straight through both trees. 2 sets next to each other. Hell yeah. I definitely want to ride though when we get to that to the drag racing shit though. That motherfucker look far. Just now? On the takeoff?
Nah, second.
Go second?
Crazy, man, yeah.
I got you. You like that little motherfucker, look at him. Huh? I know. He thought I like this. Oh, my boy looking like he wants some smoke. Oh, you want some smoke, my boy? You want some smoke, gang? You want some smoke? Come on. Oh, listen. I like me over that TRS. Good shit, brody. Hey, it's gonna be on the channel, man. Oh yeah, I'm calling him out. Hey, no sir. Hey, I missed the gear. You was hot. You was burnt. You was burnt sausage on me. Oh yeah, Kilo. Look at my old 2 bikes, man. Oh, damn. Oh, I just lost my phone. Damn, bro. Damn, that's some bullshit, bro. Wayne got my location so I can find it. I know it's in there. My phone.
Your phone where?
I don't know. Search the location. I just had it when we was at the track.
No location.
Say on God.
When you had it, bro?
Just at the track.
Y'all go ahead, hit MX2. I'm gonna go ahead to the track. I'm gonna meet y'all over there.
You can find, hey, you can use somebody's phone to do that. Sign on Apple.
No location found.
Damn.
That's ass. Yes, bro. And I just gave him my location too. But I mean, at least y'all ain't do too much.
I lost my keys out here one day. Somebody...
Yeah, I remember that shit. Yeah. I remember that. That's ass. I ain't gonna lie.
I'm gonna go up there and see somebody turn it in.
Found that bitch on the flip that shit, man.
Hey, bro.
Ran it over.
I'm going to why you don't even get it.
Yeah, you don't even get your
little bad ass kid.
Oh, mine out, man. Come on, fam.
189. Say what?
All right, bitch, hold up, bitch. Oh, I'm trying to ride that motherfucker, I ain't gonna lie. That boy go Raptor. Oh, 66. What the hell? Oh yeah, ride that bitch. Oh shit. Oh. You ain't fucking with it. Oh God. 636 on the Raptor. I'm talking about the 636 on the That shit too fast, bro.
You need to chill on that bitch.
You need to chill on that bit? Why you need to chill on the bit, fam?
And it bitch run like a sewing machine.
That bit crank right up on, bro. You don't be scared on that bit, though?
What?
That bit on 4 wheel. That bit on 4 wheel, bro. When you come around that bend right there, it was crazy, though, bro.
You know how that bitch crank up?
Raptor 350 with a 636 motor, bro. Oh, shit. All right, you know. Hey. The reason why I'm not riding, my stepdad was out here riding my bike in the yard. I forgot to turn my key off, bro. Yesterday when we was trying to plug my bike up to the front of my battery, that's really not the main battery to charge your battery on the bike. So I'm gonna plug this one up in the back. See if this joint works. If it don't work, man, I'm gonna go buy me a new battery, man, so we can be outside. Make sure I smash that like button. We still going crazy, man.
Try me with animal cruelty, I shoot at the track, ho. You know I'm move with shooters, so please don't sag off. We cut the future short, mask off. We on the run from cops, we never run from ops, we having fun with that.
Moment of truth, man. I've been having it sitting on here for a little bit. Fuck, man. One last time, bro. The keys on, lights came on. Shit over with, bro. Let's go get a new battery. $120? Come on, bro. My boy Eskimo'd up out there, bitch. Moment of full and truth, eh? Ooh. Yes, that's scary. She's alive. She ready to go, man. She can't go just like that. Should I bust a block right quick?
Nigga be doing that dissing and now that boy drippin', he done got turned into murder. Outside of Atlanta, turned me two-way man, I didn't have to go in the church. They Drake, they Rihanna's ready to work. Drake and designer, they ready to surf. Nigga be claiming that you ain't his all because you ain't and give him a verse. Feelings, that what that nigga is in. Spin it, I didn't even need me a bin. Finish, now they be right all the team. Winning, do that shit by any means. I'm having dreams about the kid making it. Never knew I was gonna end up a cleaner, but